Good morning, everybody. I'm sitting here looking at TTWO. It's gonna take long at the open here, though I am gonna get a bit of an early entry because otherwise my stop would have been 60 cents, so I'm just gonna try and get in just about 10 cents from my original entry here. It's looking like a fantastic trade, really. The daily looks great. It's up on positive earnings, positive news. Market's about to open here. We'll see what happens. I think it's gonna happen pretty quick if I do get in here. Yep, and I'm in at 81. Oh my, this is quite a quick one here. Wow. Alright, took half. Kind of a shame. Guess I should have kept full size there, but I saw a little bit of a pullback. Decided to take what I could. Anything under 50, anything in the 60s, anything in the 70s. Oh my god. Anything below 75. And I'm out. $118 trade starting the day. Feels good, man. Okay guys, I think I'm actually gonna call it today. The market's doing that thing, you know, where it opens up high and then comes back to zero and pops back up a little bit, and that usually makes for a day where not too much happens. Plus I'm up 118 in the first minute of the day, so that definitely makes me wanna, I don't wanna say walk away, but at least keep in the gains. So the trade that I took was TTWO, and it worked absolutely perfect. It was probably one of the best trades I've ever taken, really, because everything that I thought would happen worked out perfectly. Every variable that was thrown into the trade was just, everything matched up just the way I thought it would. So I was looking at it for the pre-market highs, saw it pull back a little bit, it set up a good risk reward. Ended up getting in at what, 72.81, and this thing just shot straight up right at the open. Almost had did have a $3 move there, almost a $4 move. But I went back and watched the video that I just took on it, and I actually noticed the couple of mistakes that I did make on it. And the first mistake was I was watching it whenever it was a bid, and I was trying to sell in a strength. So whenever there was a small pullback, I would take off some, you know. Well, what I didn't catch is that there was, I think it was at 70, it must have been 73.49, well, right where I took it, there were actually, it was a pretty big buyer there on the bid, so it showed pretty good support there. So I should have taken that as a sign that it was going to shoot higher, which it did, and then, but I missed out because I already took off half my size, so I definitely missed out on at least maybe another $100. The second problem I had is that whenever I did take my profit, that was when everybody else was taking their profit. I was literally the last person on that whole sell-off here after the big spike up to get out of that trade. So that's something that I need to think about, is if I wanted to hold on to that last 50 shares that I had and hold off for the higher move, which it did make, or if I just want to maybe even think about selling earlier, because I mean I definitely caught, you know, at least 50 cents, so that's an extra 25 bucks that I missed out on there, but it was still overall super solid trade. Second thing I want to show you guys is I emailed Trade Ideas and they set up a whole number radar with me, so I've been kind of fiddling with it and adjusting things and whatnot. But what this thing does is it looks for all stocks in the market that are close to the whole dollar sign. So I've been kind of adjusting this, tightening it up a little bit, seeing what really shows what I'm looking for and whatnot. I've been adjusting the position range here, first of all. You know, I'm making sure that a stock is at least 3% up or down, but I'll take a look at the ones anyway. So you got the AN here. We'll look at AN because the shares are a little low, but we'll look at JD and ZTO and see what they're setting up for. So yeah, JD was hitting that 41, and it was notifying me. And what was the other one? ZTO. I think ZTO sitting here at 14. So I'm hoping that whenever one of these stocks pops up here, it'll only be showing, that it hasn't broken this 14 mark yet. So that's the hope. Yeah, good day. Up 118, second day in a row this week. I'm green. Feeling pretty good. I will be back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.